Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap and Hocus Pocus Crafts, and today I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway for the entire set of Sorcery Soap books. Yes, and it is going to take a lot to get it to you. But I also wanted to say that I have two backup winners that will also get surprises in the mail, because in my past experience that the first winner doesn't always contact me. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It depends on if I could reach them or not, because I don't have your email. All I have is your screen name. So here it is. The big #1 winner is My Persephone. The backup winner is Anthology Soap Company. And the third backup winner, also getting something, Celtica Soaps. So I'll post this on YouTube and Instagram, which is where I posted the giveaway, so we can get in touch with each other and you can contact me. You can contact me on Facebook. I'm not going to give my email address. That's caused me headache in the past, but I'll hold on to these and I'll keep trying to reach out. So I'll try and reach out on you. I will reach out to you on Instagram, where I think these are from, these names are from. And again, it will be posted here. So congratulations, that would be to My Persephone, which is very exciting. So I'm always excited to get a gift. It doesn't matter what it is. So anyway, thank you for playing along. I know I've been slow throughout these winter months. It's been a weird winter, and I don't know about you guys, but it's kind of becoming a weird life. But I'm finding my vibe. So anyway, you know, I've been reading out of The Magic of Soap Dough and the Enchanted Book of Peculiar Ideas and Soap Potions. And I wanted to shift gears a bit because I got a letter the other day from one of my sisters, and I thought you would like to hear it. I did not exactly ask permission, but I don't think she'll mind. So, especially if I don't give you her name. So anyway, I will proceed if you care to listen to this letter, because there might be a little Easter egg in there for you. A little bit of mid-morning coffee, and then I'm very excited because I get to actually talk with one of my sisters this afternoon, and there's so much going on I can't even tell you. I can't even begin to tell you. Okay, different glasses. Okay. Dear sister, it's been a minute since I last wrote to you, and my version of this realm, about my version of this realm, sorry. Even though we come from the same place, we have our own unique perspectives, of which I'm grateful. You continue to give me the benefit of the doubt and rarely respond critically. I'll need that attitude this time. I was a little apprehensive when I got this letter, just so you know. Somehow we come together and strive to understand. Sometimes we hold the positive and I hold the negative, or vice versa, with the unified goal of finding a neutral place of understanding. I need a bit of that also today. If you are not in a positive or neutral place, please wait to read this letter later, or not at all. Again, I was apprehensive, and I'll just leave that. As you and I have discussed in the past, there are dark forces in areas of our realms. More so now than any other time, or maybe they are more obvious. Oh, let me preface this. So, you know, I write a lot of posts and I talk about things and sort of use magical language. And although I do, I don't do it near as much as she does. And I think that's where I get it from anyway. So you'll hear anyway. More so now than any other time, or maybe they are more obvious. Definitely more dubious. Although we prepared for it, I did not see as clearly as I do now. All my training and preparation went out the window the other day. No need to fear, there were remnants of my practice in place, strong enough to help. I performed my practice, albeit perfunctory, at the time, or I supposed, as my heart wasn't in my work. I did what I could. The other day I woke up with a gloom in my head, a misery without source. I tried to rationalize it. I wrote long into my journal, striving to clarify my thoughts. all to no significant relief. I have to leave that part out. After my meditation, my internal storm continued. A few more hours of emotional struggle exhausted me. I napped, another good practice for me, as you know. Eventually, her husband came in to find out what was bothering me. Sometimes talk is the right medicine, other times it's a poison. This time it was both. The words I spoke were colored with my personality and life story, but not my true story. I heard myself speak into being the turbulent waves that were crashing over my psyche. I knew this wasn't my storm any more than one can call the churning of the sea my sea. I did not shirk my responsibility, but this storm crashed on me from no understandable source. It was as if a dark force had gained access to my person and was trying to take over, to use whatever way possible to find purchase in this realm. The words I spoke were just the beginning of access to this realm, an inroad, a fissure to break into our reality. Her husband said, I could see he had his own emotions towards my blaming, criticizing, and harsh words. I tried to navigate the source of the storm, yet failed. He went through denials, logic, and finally compassion. I ran out of words. I could no longer struggle with what to say and what not to say. Quiet seemed the only option. I lay, not asking, not wanting, but was quiet. I was nothing, no one, and no thing. I chanted this over and over. Let myself feel all was well, and that being nothing was better than what I had just experienced. In that quiet, I became me again, as if a ghost lifted, a scent passed, or a gas had blown away. Like that, I was gone. I witnessed, watched, and could sense the difference. So dramatic was the difference in the experience, I'm still baffled. My dear sister, you know me. I ask you, what do you think? Have you experienced anything like this? I have many thoughts about this. However, before I say why or make up a story to suit, I want to understand this experience with your input. Please protect yourself, my sister, from this unseen dark force. Such a fruitless effort. As you are a powerful being and probably already know, I'll strive not be anxious while I await your reply, but you know me. So I'm reading that letter because I wanted to hear your input and your thoughts about if you've had any experiences like that before I write her back, and wondered, I don't know, what your thoughts were on that. I have files and files of letters that I've never shared, and this was the most recent. This just came the other day, and so I wondered what you thought and if you were interested in me reading some of those letters. Of course, I leave out details, so because they're not public people at all. So anyway, that's all I have today. And let me know what you thought, and please contact me, winners of the very exciting giveaway, because the reason I want you to contact me before I ship these, well, first of all, I have to get your address. So that's very important because I don't know where to ship them. That's one part. Second part is I want you to pick a journal, and the other two backups too, because we're going to have some journals shipped out. And so if you could let me know about that and contact me, and then we'll sort it all out. So anyway, congratulations. I hope this made your day, and have a great day. Okay, bye.